Hello students, this is Nishi Mishra, Faculty of Social Studies at Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. So students, we were on the second chapter of geography, which is land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. In the previous two lectures, we discussed about land and soil. Today we are going to discuss about water. So children, you all must be aware that Earth is the only planet in the solar system that is having water in it. That is why it is also known as the blue planet. Nearly 70% of the total water that is available to us is occurred as ice sheets and glaciers in Antarctica, Greenland and mountainous regions, whereas only 2.7% of water is a fresh water for us. Out of that 2.7%, only 1% of fresh water is available and it is fit for human use. It is found as groundwater or surface water in rivers and lakes and as water vapors in the atmosphere. Children, like water is having a great influence on all the aspects of human life. That means like water is very useful to us. What are the different usages of water? Like the salinity of the water, though we say that the saline water is not useful for us, whereas it is providing habitat to various marine life, है ना? Like water helps us in precipitation. अगर water नहीं होगा, so precipitation means what? Rainfall. वाटर नहीं होगा तो इवेपोरेशन नहीं होगा, इवेपोरेशन नहीं होगा तो कॉन्डेंसेशन नहीं होगा, कॉन्डेंसेशन नहीं होगा तो रेनफॉल नहीं होगा या प्रेसिपिटेशन नहीं होगा. द अंडरग्राउंड वाटर इज ऑल्सो वेरी यूजफुल टू अस. जैसे हमारे घर में सबमर्सिबल लगा होता है या हैंडपम्प्स हम यूज़ करते हैं या डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वाटर रिसोर्सेज जो अंडरग्राउंड वाटर से हमें मिलते हैं. एंड अंडरग्राउंड वाटर इज अ सोर्स ऑफ fresh water only. Like water is like when it is falling from the height, it can be utilized to produce hydroelectricity. Rivers helps us in irrigation and crop production. Rivers also helps us in navigation. Water also helps us in our economic activities such as cultivation, manufacturing industries, etc. So these were the usages of water. Now, how the water is distributed globally? So, children, like we have already studied that अर्थ पे कुछ भी इवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड नहीं है. कोई भी चीज़ अगर आप बोलो कि कोई भी रिसोर्स अर्थ पे हर जगह इक्वली अवेलेबल है, दैट इज़ नॉट देयर. कहीं पर पानी ज़्यादा है तो कहीं पर डेजर्ट ज़्यादा है, तो कहीं पर फॉरेस्ट कवर ज़्यादा है, तो कहीं पर रिवर्स ज़्यादा है, तो कहीं पर सलाइन वाटर ज़्यादा है, राइट. इट इज़ नॉट इवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड. तो हाउ वाटर इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ग्लोबली? कैसे? दैट द 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water, that we already discussed. Water is found in solid, liquid and gaseous forms on the earth, and the ocean water however is saline and not fit for human consumption, but it is also useful in various ways. Distribution of fresh water is highly uneven in the world, है ना? This is mainly due to what? The climatic reasons. In many areas rainfall or precipitation is more and then the evaporation, so they have the sulfurous precipitation, right? The areas between 20 degree north and 40 degrees south latitudes, evaporation is more than precipitation. So the amount of rainfall in India is unevenly distributed and it only rains 4 months in a year. अब ये तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो गया. वी ऑल्सो नो दैट वी फेस द स्कार्सिटी ऑफ वाटर. पूरा वर्ल्ड में भी ऐसा होता है कि कई जगह पर पानी कम अवेलेबल है कि नहीं? हमारे यहाँ भी गर्मियों में यू मस्ट नोटिस कि हमारे यहाँ पानी नहीं आता या एक टाइम वाटर सप्लाई होती है, एंड मेनी ऑफ द एरियाज फेस वाटर स्कार्सिटी. इन द सेम वेज लाइक वेरियस कंट्रीज इन द वर्ल्ड फेस शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर, राइट. सो ड्रॉट प्रोन कंट्रीज कौन सी है? लाइक अफ्रीका एंड एशिया. They are having the large population and that is why they face the water scarcity. In the urban areas groundwater level is dangerously low, and why? Because the usage exceeds the use of recharge. Now the threats to water resources, क्या threats हैं? That increasing urbanization, water pollution and absence of water management are the major threats to freshwater supply over the world. Now conservation. conservation of everything is necessary, children. We discussed about the conservation of land, we discussed about the conservation of soil, we are also going to discuss about the conservation of water. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं तो you will be able to tell me various ways of the water conservation. So some of the water conservation ways may be that the water pollution can be controlled by treating nitrites, metals and pesticides before releasing them into the water bodies. Water harvesting is another method to save surface runoff, right? Then the canals should be used properly to minimize the losses by water seepage. Dry regions में क्या होता है, हाई वेपरेशन होता है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, वहाँ पे ड्रिप या ट्रिकल इरिगेशन यूज़ करके वहाँ पर इरिगेशन कर सकते हैं. Proper utilization of irrigation must be made, है ना. So irrigation is the provision of water for crops in the areas where the natural precipitation is considered inadequate for the growth, crop growth. तो whereas जहाँ पर पानी या रेनफॉल जो है sufficient amount में होती है, वहाँ पर हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ड्रिप या ट्रिकल इरिगेशन यूज़ करके वाटर को कंजर्व कर सकते हैं. घर पर भी हम वाटर को जो है डिफरेंट तरीक़ों से कंजर्व कर सकते हैं. तो द होमवर्क फॉर यू इज़ टू फाइंड आउट द वेज टू सेव वाटर एट होम. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss about the wildlife resources, right? Stay tuned. Thank you.